in Accidental Truth, we were talking about the material that was supposed to be sent to Bigelow Aerospace. It never did. And it took me until the congressional hearings to get to the bottom of it, because during those hearings, I was texting questions to Congressman Burleson to ask Lou. And the question about Lockheed Martin and Bigelow Aerospace came up. And Lou, Accidental Truth, did and confirmed that, yeah, Lockheed had that stuff. And it got held off.
And I was on the team that was supposed to receive that.
Right.
And I actually know where it was held, you know, and it is, this might surprise people, it was held in a place that was laughably insecure. I mean, it was held in a place that I now know that I probably could have skipped over the fence, broken the lock, gotten in, and taken it.
That's pretty incredible.
That should surprise people, because much of this stuff appears to be held in plain sight.
It's